Good morning, everyone. So, our today's topic in talent management paper is the difference between questionnaire and interview. It is one of the important topic when it comes to talent management. So, first we need to talk about questionnaire and interview individually. What are they? So, if we talk about questionnaires, so questionnaires refers to a research instrument in which a series of questions is typed or print along with the choice of answers, and it could be objective type questions as well. So the expected answers are marked there, and the respondent need to provide their input on and on the basis of that survey the statistical tools are used and to uh, form a proper. So the questionnaire is consist of a list of questions in definite order on a form, which is mailed to the respondents, or the manually can be delivered to the respondents. Uh, but for the questionnaire, a pilot study is advised because it conduct a short level of the study, so that you can find out if there is an error in the questionnaire or not. And the questionnaire method is very much reliable, and it is also less time consuming method. When we talk about the interviews, the interview is a data collection method in wherein the direct in-depth conversation between interviewer and the respondent take place, and it carries out with the purpose like a survey research, or like where both the two parties participates in one to one interaction. So under this method, oral or verbal interview can be conducted, or in the interview method, the non-verbal communication is also very much important, because the observers or the interviewers may uh, judge you on the basis of your non-verbal communications as well. So the interview could be of two types: personal interview or the telephonic interview. So personal interview is a face-to-face interaction, whereas telephonic interview is taking asking questions on the phone itself. So if we talk about the difference between questionnaire and interview, on the slide you will see that there is a basis of comparison, and there is a differentiation between questionnaire and interview. So if we talk about on the basis of meaning, questionnaires imply a form consisting of a series of written or printed multiple choice question to be marked by the uh, respondents. Whereas in interview is a formal conversation between interviewer and the respondent, where in the two participate in question answer session. If we talk about the form, so questionnaire is in written form, whereas interview is in verbal form. If we compare on the basis of nature, so questionnaires are generally objective type questions, and in interview there are subjective questions. If we talk about the questions, so in the questionnaire, generally questions are consist of which is close ended question. So it is a basically MCQs type questions. So these are the close ended question, whereas in interview generally open ended questions are asked. So on the basis of order of question, sorry, information provided, so the questionnaire uh, on in the questionnaire format of test, factual based questions are asked, where the information in interview is more on applied or analytical answers. If we talk about order of question, uh, the question in the questionnaire, the order of questions cannot be changed. It should be written in an appropriate sequence, whereas in interview, if it is unstructured or structured interview, the order of question can be changed on the basis of the preference of the interviewer or the as per the need of the scenario. uh, on the basis of cost, if we do the comparison between questionnaire and interview, questionnaire is economic, whereas interview is an expensive affair. If we differentiate on the basis of time, so the informant utilize his own time for the questionnaire, but uh, in interview that there is a real time consumption. So we can say that questionnaire is less time consuming process, whereas interview is more time consuming process. If we talk about the communication, so in questionnaire, communication happen between one to many person, whereas in interview the communication happen between one to one. On the basis of non-response, if we try to find out difference, so the questionnaire, in the case of questionnaire, there is a high chance of non-response, but in interview there are response for each and every question. And lastly, on the basis of identity of the respondent, uh, in the questionnaire, the identity of respondent is generally not disclosed, whereas in interview, the questionnaire sorry the identity of respondent is known. So these are the difference between questionnaire and interview. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.